I've got a cosmic countdown for you. What happens when the sun dies? Let's hit play on the next few billion years. In about 1 billion years, the sun gets roughly 10% brighter. That sounds nice, until it isn't. More light means more heat. Our oceans begin to evaporate. The air thickens with steam. A runaway greenhouse ramps up. Earth starts to feel less like home and more like a slow cooker. Fast forward to about 2 to 3 billion years from now. The oceans are mostly gone. Weather as we know it collapses. If any life lingers, it's clinging on underground. If any life lingers, it's high in the atmosphere. Now jump to the main event. Around 5 billion years from today, the sun runs out of easy fuel, hydrogen in its core. Gravity squeezes. The core heats. The outer layers puff up. The sun swells into a red giant, tens to hundreds of times bigger than now. Mercury? Toast. Venus? Gone. Earth? It's complicated. The sun is losing mass as it swells, pushing Earth's orbit outward a bit, like loosening a tight leash, but the expanding atmosphere of the sun may still drag Earth inward. Tidal forces tug on our planet. Most simulations say Earth will be scorched to a cinder. There's a decent chance it gets swallowed whole. If we're lucky, we just get roasted. Inside the red giant, the core ignites helium in a flash. No, not an explosion we'd see, but a sudden change in the sun's engine. For a short, cosmic moment, stability returns. Then it's over. The sun sloughs off its outer layers, forming a glowing shell of gas, a planetary nebula. It could glow like a cosmic flower for 10,000 years. At the center, what's left is small, dense, and blindingly hot. A white dwarf. Imagine a star the size of Earth, packed with the mass of the sun, glowing like a dying ember. No more fusion, just heat fading into the dark. What about the rest of the solar system? Mars might survive as a frozen relic. Jupiter keeps orbiting. Saturn keeps orbiting. Moons may briefly thaw during the red giant phase. Farther out, icy worlds feel a gentle push as the sun's gravity weakens. Some drift to wider orbits. Some escape entirely. The white dwarf will cool for trillions of years, slowly dimming from white to red to black, a black dwarf. But the universe isn't old enough for any black dwarfs yet. That end takes longer than everything humans have ever imagined. So, what happens when the sun dies? First, Earth becomes unlivable, then the sun blooms huge, burns bright, sheds its skin. Finally, it shrinks to a silent coal of starlight. Here's the twist. The sun's death isn't a disaster for the cosmos. It's a hand-me-down. Those cast-off layers seed space with carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, the stuff of life. Our end helps build someone else's beginning. Until then, we're on borrowed sunlight. Use it well.